Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the serial number of your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Whether you need it for warranty, service or registration, here's how to check it in seconds. First, open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down to the bottom and find this option called About Phone and tap on it. Here you will see your serial number along with other details like your model number and IMEI. You can also dial this code in your phone app. For that, open your phone application. *#06#. Once you press it, a screen will pop up showing your serial number, IMEI and other details. The serial number might also be printed on the box your phone came in, and that's how you check the serial number on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.